Welcome back in the kitchen again and again and again with Chef Ricardo cooking show and juice bar, everything in one. Anyway, I'm going to make you a lovely salad again and again and again and again. Anyway, this is how we're going to be starting. I got some mixed leaf right here. Don't fret to use a hand and simple tear up your mixed leaf like this. I'm already washed them and dried them off. So you might have said, oh, then dry Chef Ricardo, but you know what I mean, I wash them and have them in my fridge, so you know what I mean, you know, the fridge gonna suck it out and let them get dry. Alright, so basically this is some mixed leaf right here, and all I need to do is this. Look, first of all, get 2 tomatoes, and you're gonna simple give a few thick slices if you like to, it all depends. Slices like this, put them straight inside of it like that. So I'm going to be using 2 medium-sized tomatoes. And as you notice, I'm doing a little. Only thing I didn't have is some cucumber, but that's fine. What I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze half of a lemon juice inside of it. A lot of people doesn't know that lemon juice is good for you in your salad because it helps you to lose weight also. Basically, I have some red pepper and yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper, and red pepper. All I need to do is cut them up. And I'm gonna just simple cut them like that. Lovely and nice. So I'm gonna put in some. If you want to cut your pepper a little bit smaller, it's really good. So this is another way how you can eat your salad at home. Simple. Even a lovely mix like this, you might have said, Chef Ricardo, what are you doing? I never seen you make salad like that before. Then I'm going to be grating 1 medium-sized carrot. Nice one. That's the carrot. All I'm going to do is pop a little bit of olive oil, not too much. You don't have to put olive oil, but you know what I mean, olive oil is always, as I said, always good for you. Little bit of cracked pepper. And I have some fresh basil right here. What I'm going to do is break off a few leaves off the fresh basil, and I have some fresh parsley. I'm going to be breaking off some fresh parsley right here, and I'm going to simple just break it up in this, and then what happened, give you a lovely flavor. Then use a hand and just simple work it in just like that, and just like this. Nice and lovely. So it's gonna give you a lovely scent from the basil and from the parsley also. So I know it's gonna be a lovely salad. Then what you can do is get your bowl just like that. You're just gonna be serve it out lovely and nice, and I know you guys will love it. So basically, get your bowl. Don't be shy. You know what I mean? When you're doing certain kind of salad like this one. Really nice and lovely. If you got some cucumber, please add it, because I didn't recognize I didn't have any cucumber in my fridge. I couldn't believe. Well, it's just one of them things there. Nice one. After you do all of your hard work, you don't have to use a hand. You can get a gloves. You know what I mean? Just fantastic anyway. Then after you do all of your hard work, simple. I have some boiled egg. I'm just gonna simple cut my egg into half and simple decorate it like this and like this and like this. Nice one. A little bit of salt, pepper on top of the egg, and give it a lovely flavor on it. And as you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. with that nice lovely salad. Basically, as I said, you can make this at home, guys. Honestly, it doesn't complicate it doesn't take long to make, you know what I mean. It's just something very easy and simple to make at home. So hopefully guys you love this one. Please subscribe, leave your comments below and tell me what you think about Chef Ricardo fresh salad with some egg on top of it and fresh basil. Amazing recipe. So thank you so much to tune into the show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you and your team. Thank you so much guys for watching this show. As you can see, it is an amazing recipe and it is lovely. So next time I will come with better salad for you. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.